तो हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल द फैमिली मेम्बर्स प्रेजेंट देयर। आज हम लोग इस एजुकेशन फील्ड में एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं। एक फील्ड है जिसका नाम है एमबीए। ठीक है, जो कि हम लोग को बताएंगे शोभित नंदन त्रिपाठी, जिन्होंने खुद कैट क्वालिफाइड करा था विद 99.99 परसेंटाइल। तो शोभित नंदन त्रिपाठी, वेलकम टू अवर शो। सो टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ।
First of all, thank you for having me here. So, I have done BTech in Civil Engineering from NIT Calicut, and from there I got placed in Deloitte, where I worked for as a PMO analyst for 13 months. Like I handled client across all globe, especially from Europe and APAC region. After that, I thought कि मेरे career में उतनी growth नहीं मिल रही मेरे को, so I decided कि what I can do, which give me a boost to my professional career. I think MBA was the best option which I can opt for, so I decided to give CAT. And I scored 99.99 percentile in CAT 2023. I got admitted in IIM Calcutta. There I do MBA, and during my summer internship, I got placed in Accenture, again a consulting background where I handle a client from USA. I manage a business of around 220 billions, and I'm right now here in my final year in IIM Calcutta.
Okay, so you basically said that MBA is a cherry on the cake.
Yes, please.
Okay, so please tell us, what is an MBA and what are different traits in MBA?
So MBA is Masters in Business Administration. It's a postgraduate degree for you to know better about what the business is, how it works, and what are the different functions within it. So different traits in the MBA are basically finance, marketing, operations, human resource. So each of these traits are basically the particular operations in a business. So you get to know what are the different activities, what are the different procedures involved in the business administration, which we need to be aware of. Okay, business चल रहा है तो उसमें इसका भी क्या रोल है, ये कितना important है, and every field is equally important. There is nothing like this is much important, and based on our interest we can opt for a particular trade. But in general, all the top colleges offer a general management where they teach you each and every subject thoroughly. You get the better understanding, and based on your interest you can go for a particular field.
ओके, तो आप कहना चाहते हैं जैसे मेरा इंटरेस्ट फाइनेंसेस में है तो एमबीए मैं फाइनेंस से कर सकता हूँ, किसी का मार्केटिंग से तो मार्केटिंग से कर सकता है, किसी का सेल्स है तो वो सेल्स से कर सकता है।
और एमबीए में आपको पहले ईयर में कॉलेज में वो आपको ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाते हैं। फाइनेंस हो, ऑपरेशंस हो, मार्केटिंग हो, आपको सब जानने को मिलेगा। और फिर आप सेकंड ईयर में आप अपने जब कोर्स चूज करते हैं तो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर इंटरेस्ट आप चूज कर सकते हैं और आप प्लेसमेंट में उस हिसाब से बैठ सकते हैं।
ओके, सो व्हाई एमबीए? इतने सारे कोर्सेज हैं, why MBA and what are different opportunities for MBA?
So as I told you कि I needed a professional boost in my career, so I opted for MBA. So what MBA basically offers is like skill development, your offers the opportunity of networking, and it also like gives you, if I wanted to say मुझे खुद का अपना business चालू करना है, I don't know anything about it, so it give me a general idea what are the different processes are there and what are the different things I need to be aware of when I am going to start my own business. Apart from that, I will say it also gives me credibility. Like, okay, if I'm going for a job, I'm applying for a job, I'd say I've done an MBA from a particular college. So it gives me a credibility. Okay, this person knows. He has some structural thinking. Okay, he has learned this, done the MBA from a particular college. So he knows some basics. So they gives me kind of credibility.
It's a brand tag. It is a brand tag basically. Yeah.
So it helps me in my career. If I want to switch jobs, go for a different higher level of job, that obviously gives me a lot of help in that.
ठीक है, अगर किसी को एमबीए परस्यू करना हो तो फिर क्या उसके पास रोड मैप रहेगा और क्या हम लोग के पास डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस हैं और किस परसेंटाइल, जैसे कैट पेपर है तो थोड़ा समझाइए आप पीछे जो लोग बैठे हुए हैं कि कैट पेपर कैसे उनका कॉलेज में एडमिशन होगा। जी,
तो बेसिकली for MBA, CAT is the entry door for your admission. So CAT is basically a common admission test for which you have to, there are 3 different sections, quants, verbal and DILR. So it acts as an entry point. Apart from that, like there are various other things that they consider, like your work ex also from your undergrad field. But the main thing is like CAT. If you don't have like a good score in CAT, it doesn't matter. So CAT is basically the entry point. And talking about the different colleges, like there are different like tier 1, tier 2 colleges, and there are also some private colleges also which are very like high tier 1 colleges, and there are IIMs. Okay. So in IIMs, tier 1 colleges are like basically we call them Blackie. So it is Bangalore, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Kolkata,
Okay, Calcutta, in which you are currently studying. Okay.
and then there are Tier 2 colleges, which is Udaipur, Tirchi, and all. And then there are also Tier 3 colleges, which is like I'm Amritsar and all. So there are different colleges, and same is also there in the private college. If you ask me, like for Tier 1 colleges, there are SP Jain is there, FMS is there, MDI is there, and similarly there are various Tier 2 and Tier 3 colleges also there.
Okay. So, what is the roadmap to MBA, and what are the education qualification essentially needed for that?
To do an MBA, the basic eligibility criteria is you have an undergrad degree, because basically it's a postgraduate degree. So you must have an undergrad degree. Apart from that, I was told you like different other factors like work ex. It is not a necessary like आगे पास होना ही चाहिए, but if you have a work ex, it gives you a brownie point. Like it gives you a weightage in getting into admission in MBA. Apart from that, your ACATs are also counted for what your score in 10th, 12th, and undergrad.
So your whole life history is going to be calculated for your admission in the
Yes.
particular college.
So they want to see if you are sincere, if you are attentive
Explain.
throughout your
Okay.
life. Not like if you just prepare for a CAT, you'll such. But yes, obviously, if you didn't go do well in CAT, then it's not.
So what is the percentile criteria that we can expect that we are going to get wrong from Blackie colleges? Like we have qualified 90 percentile above or 95 percentile above, then we get a call back from Blackie.
Talking about the Tier 1 colleges, it is different for each like undergrad which you're like for a BTech student, it is going to be a higher side. Like upon to get a call from ABC, you need to have a 99.75 or more than that. And it's I'm not talking about the realistic number. You can find any other video saying it. No, it is not. It is going less. But realistically, you need to have a 9 for a ABC call. Apart from for Indore, Kozhikode and all, you can need to have at least 99.5 percentile for a BTech student. If you have a BCom or different arts background, you can have a little bit. You get a leniency if you miss a 99.9 percentile also gives you a call from a Blackie.
Okay.
Some I have also seen some people which get their call from 99.8 and all. Depending about your academic score, like what your 10th and 12th, it also affects the basic criteria is this only. This one.
Okay. So अगर इसके लिए किसी बच्चे को तैयारी करनी हो तो अगर हम लोग कुछ कोर्स ऑफर करें तो उसमें आप भी कैसे हेल्प कर पाएंगे? क्या उसका स्ट्रक्चर आप डिजाइन करेंगे या फिर कितने समय के लिए आप उसको टाइम दे पाएंगे और कितने समय के लिए उसको टाइम देना होगा?
देखिए जब कैट इज लाइक हर एक डिफिकल्टी लेवल एक कॉमन बार नहीं हो सकता. इट्स लाइक डिफरेंट फॉर एवरी पर्सन. किसी के लिए VRC फाइंड वेरी इजी, समवन फाइंड क्वांट्स इजी. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द every student out there. Depends कि किसको क्या चाहिए. So we can't have like a single framework for every student. Okay, you go, this is our framework, you take the CAT score and it does not work like that. So you have to focus, you have to find, okay, what's the strongest point for the particular student is. Let's say for me it was quant. So like then my strategy is like I have to score a very high score in quant because it's my strong suit, and I have to maintain a decent score in other sections.
Okay.
So what we offer, like what a coaching should offer is like they find out, okay, if a person is better than that, so it's kind of a customized course of like personal guidance should be given. Okay, a student is doing in what section and what extra needed is there, because every coaching shoot can come and teach you basic formula, how to solve. But how to master your own skill, how to work on that
In that amount of time.
Yes.
Quick amount of.
because in the 40 minutes of each section you get, how you can maximize score. So for that you need to have a local guidance, customized lesson plans. Based on that you can always like that will help a student a lot instead of having a general. I think a student which is offering such a thing, which customized lesson plan and a doubt station, because every student have some question, have a different doubt plan. Like a person can do a basic level easily, but they can need a personal guidance coming to a hard question. Like we always say level 3 questions. So depending on that, coaching should can offer that. It's good for you.
तो अच्छा मान लीजिए जैसे मैं अभी कहूँ कि आपको मेरे साथ पढ़ाना है या मेरे साथ आप कोलैब कर लीजिए, हम लोग को फीस कितनी रखनी चाहिए कि एक नॉर्मल इंसान भी कवर हो जाए?
इसको डिपेंडिंग अपॉन
टाइम फ्रेम ले लें 6 मंथ्स से लेकर 10 मंथ्स. तो अभी दिवाली चल रही है तो आई थिंक बढ़िया ऑफर भी देना चाहिए, तो उस हिसाब से थोड़ा सोचिए बताइएगा.
So I think for CAT score 6 to 10 times ideal to prepare for that. And I think
XYZ coaching. Let XYZ coaching. We are not going to mention XYZ coaching. They are charging suppose 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Yeah. So we are charging in terms of 1,000. We're not going to expose the exact figure. If you want to inquire us about, you can mail me or you can contact me on my number. I'm going to drop in the description section. So we are not going to charge lakhs, but for 1,000 for a course which is going to give you lakhs per annum package. ओके तो इस वीडियो को हम लोग यहीं पे ही एंड करते हैं। तो अगर आप लोगों को जल्दी से सीट्स फुल का वेट नहीं करना है तो अपनी इंक्वायरीज ड्रॉप करिए और ऐसी गाइडेंस लीजिए और ऐसी मेंटोरशिप लीजिए एक एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टी से जिन्होंने खुद IIM क्रैक करा है। थैंक यू फॉर दैट। थैंक यू शोभित फॉर हैविंग इन आवर शो। थैंक यू
फॉर हैविंग।